She doesn't want to be in the video, does she? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Are we on?
We're on.
We're live.
We're live.
It's showtime.
So today I thought we would do a Halloween vlog, and because it is Halloween, and my husband graciously said, yes, I will do it. So let's get started. I told you on my community page, I asked you guys, what do you think we're going as a spooky couple? You voted wrong. Not Morticia, not Gomez. I don't know if you could tell, but Beetlejuice. So yes, this is Matt. Say hi.
Hello.
And I thought I would do his makeup, and then I'm going as Lydia. We love the movie Beetlejuice. Came out in 1988. Michael Keaton, we love him. And my husband bought some very expensive makeup. It is from Walmart. So I don't know how this is going to work, but we're going to go with it. So yeah, he's got his costume on, and wait till the end of the video. We'll both be all dressed up, made up as Beetlejuice and Lydia Dietz. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to try this white cream makeup. It's $1.24. It's from Walmart. It's very scary. My husband's never worn makeup before, have you?
No.
Should we prep his skin? I don't know.
My pores are showing.
So, yeah, that's white and creamy. And, yeah, let's see. Oh, my Lanta. Really? This is so gross. Honey, really?
Yes, really.
Okay, well, it's definitely white. Lean your head forward. No, yeah, this is really bad, honey. I don't know. I'm going to use a dampened beauty sponge to pounce that in. This is not giving you a lot of coverage. Well, you know what? We can work with it. And I'm going to go right up through this skull cap. Is anybody that color? Really? You need to get some sun.
Well, I'm dead, so, you know.
You are dead. This is very patchy. I don't know. This is not a good foundation for you. Oh, you got a cat hair. Oh no, that's your wig. Fun fact, when I lived in California years ago, it was back in the mid-90s, I actually ran into Michael Keaton a couple of times in Santa Monica. Super nice guy. This was 94. At the time he was dating Courtney Cox, and I sat across from them at the bar at this restaurant in Santa Monica, and they just kind of kept to themselves. Courtney Cox drove up in her silver Porsche. This is right before the Friends TV series. I know you hate that show, honey. But it was right before Friends that came out. And yeah, and I would see him walking around Santa Monica by himself. You're such a good face model. Look at you.
Ain't I pretty?
So now we're going to go in with a cream black eyeshadow, and I'm going to use it from Huda Beauty Empowered. You know, I love this eyeshadow palette. Didn't think I was going to use it for this, but yeah. This is very pigmented, very black, creamy black eyeshadow. And we're just going to slather that on. Okay, ready? Well, let's start on your eyelids first. Ooh. I don't know if you look like Beetlejuice or the Penguin.
I'm not that short and fat, gee.
See, all the funny faces that I make, you make fun of me when I'm editing. You're like, oh my God, you make such funny faces.
I think you got some in my eye.
Well, it'll be all right. It's eyeshadow. It'll be fine. Okay, open your eyes. Look in the mirror. I think that looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to add just a little bit more. Bring it a little bit lower. And then I got some really cool, you know how you said he had a little bit of green around his eyes? Just a little bit. So we can set this creamy eyeshadow because it's really creamy. It might smudge and smear, but not to worry. This is a discontinued Marc Jacobs eyeshadow palette, but as you can see, it's got some creepy Halloween colors in there. I'm going to take a Morphe brush. I'm just going to set it with a little bit of dark green. Look up. No, with your eyes. Baby, with your eye. Open your eyes. This is perfect. This is setting it perfectly. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Oh, yes. Okay, so I want to give you a little bit of contour. Take that green and contour your face. So you look a little gaunt, so you look a little dead. And we're just blending and blending and blending down the neck.
I feel pretty.
Oh, so pretty. a
hair, too.
hairstylist, I'm not. So we got some green cream makeup too. $1.24, made in the USA. And I'm just gonna throw it into the wig just so we can add a little bit of texture and color. This is gonna be so gross, Matt. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, so pretty. I love this.
My roots, honey, my roots.
Yeah. And by the way, we got these costumes off of Amazon and they came rather quickly.
Yeah, usually we do last minute stuff and just kind of.
But this year we planned. We actually planned. Yeah, you can have a, yeah, okay. Okay. Well, look at my hands. I'm just gonna add a little bit of dash of green right around your mouth. What's your favorite quote from Beetlejuice?
Well, the obvious is it's showtime.
Well, yes.
But when they get married and everything, you know, the priest comes out and says, do you take this woman to be your wife? He's like, oh no, such a commitment.
I think you look good.
Yeah.
Say it.
It's showtime.
So now that Matt is all done, I thought I would start on my makeup. And like I said, I'm going to be Lydia from Beetlejuice. I know she was only like, Winona Ryder was only 15 at the time when she did the movie, but I thought it'd be cute to go as, you know, the wedding couple. Wait till you see my costume. So much fun. But yeah, I'm going to go in with the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin foundation. This is so pale on me. She does have a very pale complexion in the movie. So I'm just going to slap that on. And this is, like I said, really pale, but it's actually a really good foundation. Very smoothing, very hydrating, very blurring. But I'm just going to slather that on. Woo! And tap it in. And if you're new to my channel, no, I don't normally put on my makeup like this. This is strictly for Halloween. Okay, so I am sufficiently pale, I do believe. I'm going to use a Sephora contour powder just so I can hollow out my cheeks, kind of give me a ghouly look. All right, so I kind of carved out some contour there. This is the inspo look I want to go for. I guess we're going to use a lot of black eyeshadow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, this pale shade here, it's called First. It's from the Natasha Denona Love palette, I know. I'm just going to slather that on all over the lid, just so I can have a base to work with. And that, just to add some warmth back to my face. Oh my goodness. I guess Matt and I are going to use the same eyeshadow. But I'm going to go in with Purpose from the Huda Beauty Empowered Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm just going to slap it all over the lid. Wow, okay. I'm using just a tad more finesse than I did with my husband. God love him. I mean, he really does love Halloween. He actually also loves the 4th of July. So now I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm just going to blend that out. I mean, of course we got to blend. And kind of soften that up. It's blending out really well. Nice. This is definitely a very, very creamy gel eyeliner slash eyeshadow. You definitely want to set it down. So I think what I want to do is set it down with, I'm going to go into Commitment. And it's like a deep purple shade through here. And I'm just going to smack it right on top just to set that. Oh, and that's creating a really nice dark purple ghoulish look. I'm 55 years old. I love dressing up for Halloween. I think it just brings the kid out in everybody. You get to be what you want to be for one night of the year and just have fun with it. Ooh, that is, hello, gorgeous. That looks pretty good. Now, would I wear this ordinarily? Probably not. I need a drink. Okay. Bloody Mary, bloody delicious. Okay, I'm gonna take whatever's left on that brush. I'm just gonna run it along the lower thirds, the lower lash line. Smoke that out. Oh, I'm looking ghoulish now. I kind of like that. This is a look. You know, I think I did this look in the 90s. You remember the the heroin chic back then. But yeah, this is very scary. She had some red underneath. As you can see, there's a little bit of red under her eyes. I'm going to go in with Heart, this bright red, on a flat brush. And I'm just going to go through, oh my Lanta. Ooh. Kind of smoke out the eye, if you will. And just tap that on. You know what? I kind of like this look. I know that's crazy, but it's kind of fun. And I'm bringing it up just to connect it. Ooh. Now, she doesn't really have a strong brow, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my trusty e.l.f. brow product, and I'm going to take it on an angled brush. I already have some eyebrows in. She doesn't have a lot of brows there, but I want to deepen them up for sure. So I'm going to go in with an angled brush and just kind of make them more pronounced. And just, this is kind of dark, so we want to emphasize just a little bit of brow there. Love this brow product, even on an everyday basis, not just for Halloween, but it really is affordable. It's $4 and it just creates a really cool brow. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and take some black eyeliner, and I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal liner. I'm gonna tightline my waterline with all this black eyeshadow. I don't know if you can even see it. I'm gonna do my waterline on the lower lash line just to make it look more stark. Now let's go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Tartelette mascara. This is a fantastic tubing mascara. I'm gonna apply a light coat of that. I look crazy. Okay, so I do think she needs a little bit of blush. So what I'm gonna do is, just to have that monochromatic look, I'm gonna go ahead and take a bit of Heart on a brush and just, oof, okay, hang on. Tap it in. Oh God, okay, this is not working. Not working. Maybe stippling it in is better. Okay. That's a little bit better. I look like a geisha. Trust the process. It'll be great. It'll be great. I'm gonna go ahead and whisk it off. And this is just a clean brush, so I can soften that. Okay. And she does have a red lip. This is a red lip I love, regardless whether it's Halloween or not. And then I'm gonna apply red lipstick. Go Winona. Remember Wino Forever? Winona, okay. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the red lipstick. Oh, red lips are on. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, put on my costume, and you will see the final look for both me and Matt. Okay. I give you Lydia. Okay, so I really didn't cut my hair. I literally just put my hair up in a high ponytail, flipped it over, kind of got it wet, the ends wet, so they would be the faux bangs. But wait till you see this. I know it looks kind of crazy up through here. I just pinned it down, but I figured with the headpiece, I could cover that up. So let's go ahead and put this on. And yes. Oh yes, this is the final look. And like I said, we got these costumes from Amazon. Actually, this is a child's medium because I'm super tiny and I figured this would fit really well. But isn't it super cute? Like, wow. I think I kind of look like Lydia. I don't know. What do you think? I love you. I appreciate you. I think we're the perfect married couple, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about the veil?
No, oh,
No?
well, no. Well,
No?
no.
Okay.
Okay. But yeah. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and Matt today. I had so much fun dressing up. I mean, come on. It brings out the kid in everybody. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you'd be a part of our family. And in case you want to hang out a little bit longer and check out some real foundation reviews, check out the playlist down here. And for skincare reviews, check out the playlist right over there. But for now, mahal kita. I love you. Have a safe and happy Halloween, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Roxy. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice.